Do you have any organic milk?
These look ripe. Do we need bananas?
We already have some at home. Focus, Max. Excuse me, do you have any organic milk? Yes, top shelf, left side. We just restocked. Great, thanks.
This cheese looks amazing. Should we get it?
It's $12 for one piece. Max, we're on a budget.
Right. Budget mode activated. Oh, what about chips? Come on, one bag, please.
Only if it's on sale.
Barbecue, sour cream, spicy. Why are there so many types?
Simple. You pick the one on sale, or better yet, none.
Lies. Chips are life. You can't silence the crunch.
Watch me. Here, fake crunch, zero guilt.
Rice cakes taste like cardboard. Chocolate. It's for emotional support.
Emotional support better be under $2.
Half off. Destiny wants us to have chocolate.
Just don't Destiny the whole pack in one night. At Trader Joe's. Wow! Look at all these snacks.
Focus, Emma. We need stuff for dinner.
Fine. What do we need?
Pasta, sauce, maybe some salad.
This pesto looks good.
Yeah, but is it vegan?
Oh, wait. It says contains milk, not vegan.
Let's get tomato basil sauce then.
Okay. Do you want the fancy pasta or the regular one?
It's just pasta. Get the regular.
You have no taste.
Need help finding anything? Do you guys still have that pumpkin ravioli? Seasonal item. It's back next week.
Pumpkin ravioli in April.
Trader Joe's is full of surprises. Let's check out before you grab more chocolate.
Too late. Already did. At a bakery. The smell of fresh bread. Can we get a croissant, Grandma? Just one? You used to eat two. I'm watching my sugar now. You're 10. You should be watching cartoons. Can I get pain au chocolat instead? Of course. One for me, too.
Bonjour. What can I get you today?
2 pain au chocolat, please.
Would you like anything else?
Do you have macarons?
Yes, just behind the glass.
Ooh, so colorful.
The raspberry is our best seller.
1 raspberry macaron, please. And 1 lemon for me.
Anything to drink?
A coffee, please. I'll take orange juice.
Coming right up.
Grandma, why do people in Paris eat bread all the time? It's part of the culture. Bread is life here. At a local farmer's market. Why is this apple $5? Is it made of gold?
It's a local farm. You're paying for the vibes.
I want a cheaper vibe. Are you looking for a budget-friendly fruit? Yes, please. You can try the bulk bin apples. Same farm, less packaging. Thank you.
Are you saving the planet?
One slightly bruised apple at a time.
Don't judge the apple by its peel.
Wow. Deep.
I try.
Let's grab some oat milk, too.
Almond milk's on sale.
Oat is better for the environment.
Fine, let's save the world and go broke.
At 7-Eleven.
Slurpee time!
You never change, do you?
Not when blue raspberry's involved.
I'll get an iced coffee.
Excuse me, do the hot dogs come with mustard? Yep, there is a condiment bar next to the microwave. Awesome! Do you have those mini churros too? Right under the heat lamp, next to the taquitos. Got it. And what's this? Cheese in a can. Is it safe? It's legal? People use it on crackers or spray it straight into their mouths. That's both terrifying and tempting. Alright, I'll take one. Just for science.
And here is my iced coffee.
So that's 1 Slurpee, 1 iced coffee, 2 hot dogs, mini churros, and the cheese spray. Yep, dinner of champions. That'll be $11.60.
I leave you alone for 2 minutes and you buy science experiments.
I'm a man of curiosity and poor judgment.
And probably indigestion. At Disneyland Souvenir Shop. This place feels like a dream.
It looks like you belong here.
Because I'm magical?
Because you're glowing.
Stop. You're making me blush.
That's my goal.
Look at this mini headband.
Pink, sparkly, and totally you.
Should I get it?
If it makes you smile like that, yes.
You're the best.
I try.
What are you getting?
Maybe this Donald Duck hoodie.
Aw, you look so cute.
I'll take it then.
Are you ready to check out? Yes, please. The headband and the hoodie. That's $54.80.
I'll pay.
No, let's split it.
It's your day. Let me spoil you.
Okay, just this once. Thank you so much. At a thrift store. This place smells like old books and Grandma's attic.
That's the smell of treasure.
Or dust.
Look at this vintage denim jacket.
It's older than you.
That's the charm.
What size is it?
Medium. Fate wants me to have it.
Try it on.
I feel like I'm in an 80s movie.
You look like an extra.
Rude.
Truth.
Hey, check out this lava lamp.
Does it work?
Only one way to find out.
You can plug it in near the mirror.
Thanks.
Don't set anything on fire.
No promises.
I've waited all week for this. Let's hunt for the perfect dress. Please don't make me your fashion test dummy again. Last time you picked my clothes, I looked really silly. What? You were fabulous. More like a cursed candlestick. Go easy on me this time. Ooh, look at this one. Excuse me, do you have this dress in a different size? Of course. What size are you looking for? Medium, please. Here you go. Emily, I don't think... Excuses are for quitters. If it fits like a glove, you're buying it. Why are you always so sure about these things? Because I'm the boss, obviously. Seriously. Oh, shush. Try it on. I want to see. If I look like a blushing tomato, you're buying me lunch. Yeah, whatever. Don't laugh. Andrea, wow. I feel like I should be holding an Oscar. Already picturing you in the blue one next. Nope, one dress is enough. Too bad. Fashion waits for no one. You're not escaping yet. My wallet hates you. But your future self will thank me.